Hello. In this video, you will learn the basic information on grease traps and how they properly function. So, what exactly are grease traps and how do we use them? A grease trap is a plumbing device that prevents grease or any buildup from entering the sewer. Some establishments that use grease traps include schools, restaurants, and even hotels. Grease traps aim to capture fogs, or fats, oils, and grease from entering the sewer system. When a grease trap is overflowing, it becomes less and less effective filtering fogs and other harmful materials to the sewer system. This in turn will cause a blockage, which will result in foul odors and floodings.
To prevent blockages, here is a quick demonstration on how Evergreen Services cleans these grease traps.
You will be greeted by one of our service people, and they will ask you for the location of the grease trap.
Once the trap is located, the grease trap lid will then be removed, and then we may begin cleaning. After the lid is removed, we will then pump out all of the grease in the trap using our very own vacuum. After most of the grease has been cleaned up, we will then scrape any remnants left in the trap to make sure by the time we are done, your trap looks brand new. After the cleaning wraps up, we will then ask for your signature to sign off on the work once it has been completed.
Thank you for watching, and that is everything you need to know about grease traps.